Hi, this is Yvonne. I am coming to you with one of my homemade planners I am about to make. I am using this old purse that I had. It is a leather Tagliano purse. I'm going to use it to make me a planner. As you can see, the name says Tagliano. And I'm going to make me a planner with this purse using some old rings that I had that I'm going to put into the planner. I've already glued my purse together to make the planner inside cover. It's looking a little rough right now around the edges, but once I get it going, this is what I'll do. I've already made some dividers out of textured cardstock and some old planner tags that I'd had from Hobby Lobby. Again, I'm just making this planner just for my own personal use. I don't have the money to buy a brand new one. So I'm going to be repurposing this old purse that I had, which is a Tagliano, my washi tape. I'm going to be using this magazine that I got on sale from Hobby Lobby to cut pictures out and put into my planner as my dividers. I'm going to be using some old paper, dot grid paper, to make my planner inserts by hand. I'm going to be doing everything by hand just so that it can be a homemade planner. And I'll come back with my finished planner to let you guys see how well it came out. Wish me good luck. Thank you and have a good day. And this is when you know that you're definitely into planners, when you want to just create your own.